And for now, we should focus to breaking news inputs that are just trickling in. Russian aerial assaults continue in Ukraine. In fact, this is the latest that's coming in. Ukrainian President Zelensky has claimed that at least 20 Ukrainians have been killed in a Russian strike in eastern Donetsk region. So latest assault being carried out by the Russian forces. This is in the Donetsk region. Zelensky says that 20 people have lost their lives in this Russian assault. The strikes targeted ordinary civilians with an aerial bomb in the rural settlement in Donetsk region. Zelensky even claims that the attacks took place at the very moment when pensions were being dispersed. So this is at the time when pensions were being dispersed to the people that the assault was carried out, in which 20 Ukrainians lost their lives, as claimed by the Ukrainian president. Important to note here that earlier Ukrainian Air Force claimed that Russian forces launched 84 drones overnight into Ukraine, and of these, 60 were shot down by Ukrainian air defenses. The drones were fired from a region which is Milerovo, among others, with 23 of them striking targets across 10 locations. Parallelly, in Russia, a man was killed in a Ukrainian drone attack on the Black Sea city of Sochi, where regional officials say that 6 residential houses were also damaged in attacks carried out by the Ukrainian Defense Force. Russia's defense ministry has, has claimed that it intercepted 31 Ukrainian drones overnight, 15 of them over the Black Sea. So these are strikes and counter-strikes being carried out by the Russian and the Ukrainian army. The latest one that's been carried out by the Russian army, in which 20 Ukrainians are said to have lost their lives.